did it. This is me One Tree Hill. Now, I was coming at it when I recorded the last message. I was over there and thought on Google Maps, just follow the road that seemed to spiral around to it. And that's what it did. It spiraled down and around bloody miles. Well, not literally. And then I just got to a stage where just nice open pasture from the road right up this hill that no shit is a gradient 1 in was it 1 to 1, 1 in 2. Fuck, it's like a it was worse than climbing stairs. And flies, holy crap, God knows how many bites I got on my legs. But oh, the view is worth it. That's the sea dam down there. Like a natural bridge, part man-made bridge, over crossing the lake. Whoa. So, how you can even see all the way up to Zurich. And I live down there. See that church? Along a bit to the left. So, the fact I also did it non-stop. I think I've never been this soaked. It's beyond sweaty. It's Niagaran scale moisture exudance. Oh, crap, I can't even think. Worth the climb though. It's a good achievement. Finally reached the goal. I got there in the end. Went round Herm to get to Sark, as they say. No, you went round Herm. Whatever, I went round Sark to get to Herm. For those locals from whence I stem. Oh yeah. Knackered, gonna drink and rest. And then walk all the way down again. I might see you tomorrow.